Hello there. So, as you might have already seen in my community post, I have decided to make a video to talk about the early alert system for Las Vegas hotel fire alarm systems. So, basically, Las Vegas hotels have, I guess, like a two-stage evacuation system for when a fire alarm is activated, and well, consists of the standby message, evacuation message, and a false alarm slash all clear message. So the standby message in the early alert system can vary depending on what hotel it's at. Like the Luxor's early alert standby message, it has two slow whoops, and the first message they used said, "May I have your attention, please? The alarm you have just heard is part of the hotel's early alert system. The reason for the alarm is now being investigated. We will keep you advised. Thank you." But the second early alert system standby message that the Luxor used, like over time, they replaced the one I had just mentioned with the second one, and it says, "May I have your attention, please? The alarm you just heard is part of the building's early alert system. The reason for the alarm is now being investigated. We will keep you advised. Thank you." And the voice actress for the first message of the Luxor's early alert system, they did not keep that same voice actress for the second one when they replaced it. They replaced the voice actress and the message over time in the Luxor Hotel. And now the reason I said that it would vary depending on what hotel you're at is because the Flamingo Hotel, their early alert system standby message has three slow groups, followed by, "Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. An alarm has been activated. We are investigating the cause. Please remain calm and stand by near the speakers for further instructions." And I would assume that after a certain amount of time, if the source of the alarm has been considered to be in actual danger, then they would switch the message to, "There has been an emergency reported in the building. Leave the building immediately using modern stairways and exits. Do not use elevators." Now, that one might sound a bit familiar to fire alarm enthusiasts because they would recognize that as one of the AdWords/EST voice evacuation messages that's commonly played on the AdWords EST voice evacuation system. Except most Las Vegas hotels don't actually use EST speaker strobes, they just use that message. So if the alarm in the hotel was discovered to be false, the message would say, "May I have your attention, please? The alarm you heard was caused by a minor incident. The situation has been taken care of. We apologize for any inconvenience. Thank you." So that would be the alarm that you would hear. And so if the message was, so if the alarm was considered to be false, then that would be the message that you hear. And to be honest, things like the Las Vegas early alert system for their hotels is actually something that all hotels should have. Like every hotel in the world should have a voice evacuation. It should have speaker strobes with voice evacuation, because some incidents of a fire alarm going off is not actually a natural emergency, so you wouldn't. Sometimes you have to see. Sometimes when a hotel's fire alarm goes off, you have to. The hotel staff might not want to evacuate everyone just yet, so that's why they need voice evacuation to provide a standby message to tell people when to evacuate, when not to evacuate. And having a standby message before, like, to that, having a standby message that allows the hotel staff to investigate the hotel and see if the reason for the alarm requires an evacuation is something that every hotel should have, especially the high-rise ones. High-rise hotels, they can evacuate certain floors at a time. And so yeah, if so, that was basically just a brief discussion about hotels, Las Vegas hotels early alert system for the fire alarms. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I have more content coming up on this channel soon, so if you don't want to miss that, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also comment any other things you would want to say about Las Vegas hotels early alert system, or just comment any other video ideas that you have. And I'll see you in the next video.